up, YouTubers? Who is this? It's your boy Unsociable T, and we're Friday Night Funkin versus Bob's Beach Day full week. Now look, I don't want to do this because I do wanted to do this. I did. But then again, I'm like, it's Bob. Because there's going to be so much stuff that's going to be blocking and everything. That's why we're just going to do... That's why we're going to do a reaction video. Let's get it. Yeah, because it's part of the process. But I didn't know how to respond to that first part. This is supposed to be a B-side remix, I think. Wait, the tiny man right there.
We're gonna be talking about the penis!
What you know about... This is a certified hood classic.
I love that song. What a content. What content. That was genius. I would definitely listen to that if I ever needed someone to laugh. Oh my god. Or I ever needed a post on Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, whatever. Post to that every time. Tiny Dream's hand. That was really good. I like that. It was a microphone.
3, 2, 1,
Look at all this stuff. They're giving us so many warnings. Oh, look at Tiny Man. Like, baby Squidward. Poor Pico. Would I ever do to deserve this? Bro, I be toast. Oh my god. I would've just assumed he just pushing all the buttons like this. But that was part of the process. Why a burger? Yeah, why a burger? I'm not gonna lie, I actually did look at that video, multiple videos of that. Oh, that's his name, Bob. I think I could translate that. We could just say we let him explode, left him for dead. He has no heart. Process.
Three, two, one, go!
Amogus. Baba Boo.
I want to see the memes with boyfriend's voice.
got here.
I'm actually a little disappointed because I actually wanted to see more memes. Bro, how you gonna die twice? To the same guy, too. Man, boyfriend does not love this guy. Okay. Wait, do you guys see that? The folder turned blue. He's in the trash, or I don't know. Well, IBF. IB frick. Wow, that was almost quick, to be honest. Oh, never mind. Looks like a reverse side. Reverse. They did it 3 times, too. Everybody clap your hands. Not done yet. Sorry, guys. Well, guys, yeah, the screen turned dark. Whew. Well, like I said, guys, that was a B-side remix. Honestly, that was pretty good. But still, though, I was disappointed the last song because it was less memeing, and it just in the songs. And you know what? My favorite one was the first song. It was really funny and good. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe, and peace.